Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make freezer French toast. Start by whisking your eggs along with your vanilla, melted butter, sugar, and cinnamon. Break up the yolks and make sure the cinnamon is distributed throughout the mixture evenly. This is a really great recipe for easy mornings or as a snack at any time of the day. Add in your milk and mix well. Now set it aside while we cut up some bread. I'm using white bread, but you could also use brown bread, and I'm using a thick slice bread, but the normal bread will do. You can cut this into triangles, squares, rectangles. I'm just doing thirds lengthwise. Now give your egg mixture just a little mix and dip the slices of bread into the egg mixture and place it on a greased baking tray. Bake this at 180 degrees for 30 minutes, turning once halfway. When it's done, remove it from the oven and allow it to cool completely. Then transfer the cooled French toast into a Ziploc bag and place it in the freezer for up to 2 months. When you're ready to serve, remove a few pieces onto a plate and microwave for 45 to 60 seconds. And then it's ready to serve. Enjoy!